check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there.
Leave it open.
Keep it open? Alright. You want to tell me what all's in here real quick?
Running 4 SA12s, dual 2 ohm, 3-inch voice coils, 2 Audio Legion 1600.1 straps, and 2 ohms.
So 1 ohm and amp?
1 ohm and amp.
6th order?
6th order.
Who built this?
Raw Customs.
Raw Customs, alright. What's the tunings?
29 hertz.
29? What? Wow, that's a low. That's where it peaks at?
That's my tuning.
Okay, that's a good tuning, awesome. I like it, man, it looks good.
Thank you.
And it's solid, dude, like.
Low voltage, low power. I've got 1 volt, 1.5 volts going to the amps.
Really? Oh, okay.
And I'm only at 35 on my volume.
Okay. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is JacobViral. I know you're excited to see the demo of this build, but before I just wanted to say thank y'all for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe if you're a new viewer, as well as I just launched official merch. A lot of people have been wanting to get merch. Link in the description for that, as well as I just created a Patreon. You're able to become a Patreon supporter now. I'm going to be working more with exclusive content and credit, shout outs, a lot of other personal things with you guys that become that. And I look forward to working with y'all on also live streams. I'm going to be doing weekly live streams. I did my first official live stream a few days ago. Great success. So I'm going to be doing more of those, so stay tuned. And we're about to get ready to do a demo. If y'all ever have any questions, feel free to comment, and look forward to working with y'all more closely with the Patreon supporters. See y'all at the demo.
Hit you with some 23 hertz halo here.
Oh, all right. Heck yeah. It's a good one. Nice door.
I ain't going nowhere.
How was your run?
152. I'm second place.
Nice. Is that what you wanted? 50s, 50s? Were you expecting 52?
I did 53s last night when it was cool out.
Okay.
Today with it hot, and
yeah,
it just won't reach it.
Yes, sir. All right. Musical. So like 23 to what, 55? Something like
23
that.
23 to 50, whatever Halo does right now. 23 to 50, and it'll go as low as 18.
Awesome. So built for lows and music and...
Correct.
Okay.
Built for everything.
Everything, yeah. Okay. Awesome, man. Appreciate it.
Door's broke. Door has to be bolted shut when I'm driving.
Nothing wrong with that.
If you can see the striker plate down there.
Nice bass knob.
Thank you.
Very cool.
Thank you.
Awesome. Could I, is it stock? What size alternator did you say you had?
350, I believe, externally regulated.
Okay. Oh, can I see the alternator and the amp? Or amps?
The back should be open.
Okay. All right. Check out my official JacobViral merch, link in the description, as well as become a Patreon supporter with numerous tier perks. See y'all there. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.